How many crab cakes you want, by the way?
Say uncle. You're taller. What are you doing? Jay, you real shit right now. Oh no.
I lost my shirt, yo.